Nothing beats the clean look and unsurpassed brightness of LED lighting. And now you can complement those new RetroBright headlights that you just installed with our replacement LED signal marker bulbs. Not only do LED bulbs from RetroBright look brighter and use less power, they can actually run cooler and last longer than your traditional incandescent and halogen bulbs. That means less load on older charging systems. And they're a perfect addition to your classic vehicle, whether you're cruising the back roads or just looking good at the car show. RetroBright offers replacement LED bulbs for most popular vehicle applications. Replacement bulbs are available in our popular 3000K warm white and 5700K modern white colors. We also offer bulbs in amber and red color to enhance the visibility of your side marker, turn signal, and stop lamps. Thanks to RetroBright, it's never been easier to add modern safety and style to your ride. The installation process is fast and straightforward. Simply remove the housing, if applicable, from your vehicle. Then remove the bulb from the fixture or the housing. Verify that you're replacing the old bulb with the correct LED design. Then install the new RetroBright replacement bulb into the housing or fixture. Before you button everything up, check the operation first. LED bulbs are polarity sensitive, so if they don't illuminate on the first try, just remove the bulb, rotate it 180 degrees, then reinstall. With everything operating okay, you can reinstall the housing. If you're using LEDs in a turn signal application, it may be necessary to replace the vehicle's flasher relay. The lower current draw required to operate LEDs can cause a standard flasher to do what's called hyperflash. Since the draw is lower than the standard halogen bulb, the system thinks that there's a bulb out, causing the LEDs to flash rapidly. To remedy this, you can replace the flasher with one of our LED-compatible flasher units. Some vehicles may require two of these flashers, since they use a separate flasher assembly for the hazard and turn signal circuits. It's really that easy. So now you can see and be seen better. So don't skimp on safety. Trust RetroBright for all your vehicle's LED lighting needs.